Hey everyone, welcome back to Lord of the Coins. I do apologize for my voice in the late posts as I've been pretty sick. But as a gift from the year, I'm still giving away at least 5 free subscriptions into my private training community for anyone who is subscribed. This is just as a thank you for supporting my channel. So leave a comment down below with the word Vechain as it'll help me reach out to you about winning access into the group. So last time we talked about Vechain, we talked about how it was looking pretty bullish, and we actually entered a trade right here, and our entry got a perfect wick here into a pretty solid trade around 24%, and if you held your trade, close to 40% here. So in this video, we'll cover exactly 2 areas of interest in mine for going short and long respectively. So we're going to actually go into the weekly here, as I want to get our higher time frame bias. So on the weekly here, we have our sweep, which is our first confirmation. We have a change of character, which is our second confirmation, and our third confirmation would be a retap into demand, which would give us a confirmation of bullish order flow. With that theory, I'll be looking for some sort of short in this area and a long in this area. And I'll tell you exactly how I'll come to my conclusion on exactly where I believe price will get rejected and find support. So now that we have our higher time frame bias, whenever you're setting up a trade, you always want to set it up on 3 different time frames. So we have our weekly here for our higher time frame bias. My 4 hour is going to be the time frame where I set up my trade, and then my 1 hour is going to be my execution time frame. So in terms of the 4 hour here, I'm actually going to scoot out a little bit like this, and you can see that we have our POC in this area. This is a pretty high likely area for rejection, so I'm actually going to scoot out this valley area from our previous range. And we're going to talk about a few things about this. So the first thing that I believe that can happen is a 3 drive distribution pattern right here. This would give us a pretty solid distribution pattern and a tap into a rejection of this value area. So if I see some sort of swing failure off of this value area, this would be a likely area for me to go short on the retap of supply. Another scenario that is possible is a reclaim of the value area. So if you do observe price action and you see candles closing and you see this value area getting reclaimed, it's very possible that we can see another bullish move up here. But a rejection off of this value area is a likely move for a short. And I do believe we had our POC, so we had our range POC around here. So that is definitely something that's possible where we can see price come up here, get rejected off to the POC, and then find some sort of move down. So if that is the case, then where would be the position to go long, since we are in bullish order flow, right? So we'll be in bullish order flow once price taps into supply again, or demand, which is below this change of character, all the way down to this low here. The thing is though, if we do get a candle close below this H4 key level, price action will be fairly bearish. So in the case that we do get a candle close below this H4 key level, this will be the next level that I'll be looking for long, which is this daily order block right here. But in my opinion, I believe we'll find some sort of support in this value area. So if I scoot out this value area here from this previous range, you can see that we also have the POC right here. So I'm actually gonna mark out the POC. And you can see the POC is actually pretty in line with the previous week VWAP as well, which gives us even more confidence in this area. So what I'm expecting to happen here with price action is that price will come down here, retest this value area, retest this POC, and move its way back up. It's also very possible that we see price enter this order block right here. So we might just find this previous range again, and then get a few taps into this order block before I move back up. So this entire area is probably an area where I'll probably not set any limits, but observe price action and possibly even DCA my position in. And my stop would be below. So if I set up a position here, my stop would be below the swing low right here. So in terms of Vechain, the main 2 areas of interest of mine are these 2 value areas of previous ranges. I believe we'll get a rejection off of some sort of distribution pattern, and then we'll find another reversal here in this value area. If you guys found this information helpful, please leave me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment down below if you guys want this on any other cryptocurrency, stock, or forex pair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.